weight on your body. Sometimes it becomes the weight on your heart and mind. We decide to change ourselves, but a few days later we lose motivation and quit. Why? Because we don't know the right method. In today's video, I will tell you the truth about losing obesity, the tips that actually work long term and without torturing yourself. If you truly want to transform, then watch this video till the end. 1. Calorie deficit, the real formula first. Remember one thing clearly: obesity reduces only when you eat less than you burn. That's the truth. If your body needs 2,000 calories and you eat 1,600, you will lose weight. No magic tricks. Just a calorie deficit. Dough. Increase protein in your meals. Protein reduces hunger and keeps you full for longer. Best sources: eggs, chicken, fish, lentils. Greek yogurt with more protein. Overeating naturally decreases. 3. Add high fiber foods. Fiber doesn't directly burn fat, but it helps your body prevent storing extra fat. Best sources: oats, apples, vegetables, beans. Chia seeds. Fiber are full stomach plus fewer cravings. 4. Walk 8,000, 10,000 steps daily, just starting, so daily walk can reduce obesity by half. Walking helps better digestion, faster fat burning, increase stamina, reduce stress. Stop walking. Progress stops. 5. Drink 2-3 liters of water. Daily water boosts metabolism and reduces unnecessary hunger. Hydration for faster fat loss. 6. Cut down sugar and junk food. These are the reason behind obesity. Soft drinks, fast food, pastries, fried snacks, biscuits. You can exercise for hours, but sugar destroys all. Progress. Reduce stress increases cortisol, and cortisol increases belly fat. Do 5-10 minutes of deep breathing or meditation daily. It calms your mind and reduces emotional eating. 8. Sleep 7-8 hours every night. Scientific fact: without proper sleep, fat loss doesn't work. Good sleep, balanced hormones, controlled appetite better, metabolism benign. Add strength training 3x a week. For real fat loss, cardio helps. Strength training transforms. Strength training builds muscle, and muscle burns fat even when you're resting. 10. Avoid crash diets. Crash diets give fast results, but everything returns quickly. Real fat loss is slow, steady, and long-term. 30 days of discipline. You have the strength. You can do it. Just give yourself 30 days. Small steps every day will create a big transformation. Obesity is not your enemy. Giving up is. If you learned even one helpful thing today, make this promise: I will not give up on myself. Your journey begins now with courage, discipline, and consistency. Like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful content.